This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, August the 13th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some complexes of thunderstorms over Missouri, Kansas, Arkansas, and Oklahoma, with the desert monsoon combined with the frontal boundary, and some other cloudiness and storms scattered about the country. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight. Just a severe thunderstorm watch over Oklahoma. The rest of the nation was rather quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock shows rainfall amounts upwards of 2 to maybe 3 inches over the southwestern part of the state, while northeast Iowa may only see maybe a half to 1 inch of rain. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a vortex over the eastern part of Iowa into Wisconsin and Illinois with a bit of a trough. With that, we could see some showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm, especially in the morning, and then again in the late afternoon over the eastern counties. Otherwise, in the west, it'd be partly to mostly sunny with highs around 80. Sunday, picture perfect. Mostly sunny skies, highs in the upper 70s east to lower to mid 80s west, with humidity levels rather comfortable. Monday, same story with maybe a late day shower or storm, especially over the less hills in western Iowa. Otherwise, it'll be partly to mostly sunny with highs in the lower to middle 80s. Tuesday shows a complex of thunderstorms possible over the southern half of the state, thus the higher QPF readings. So some scattered showers and thunderstorms that day. Wednesday, likely in the early part of the day before noon, with decreasing clouds and maybe a bit of sunshine over the western counties with highs in the lower 80s. Thursday will be drying out with some cooler readings, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s with comfortable humidities and some northwesterly winds. Friday, model wants to bring in another shot at possibly a shower or storm, especially late in the day over the far northwestern counties. Otherwise, it'll remain partly to mostly sunny with highs around 80. A week from today, August the 20th, big vortex over Hudson Bay with a northwesterly flow aloft with a trough over the eastern part of the country. And with that, we could see some showers and storms, especially early Saturday morning. This will likely be a Friday night into Saturday morning event next week with the fast-moving flow out of the northwest. Move ahead further into Voodoo, August the 24th. Big trough over the eastern part of the country with a vortex and a 594 heat ridge over the Intermountain West, and also a possible tropical system over the Gulf of Mexico, which could influence our weather if this pans out. Otherwise, it looks to be partly to mostly sunny with seasonal readings. And at the end of the forecast on August the 28th, main storm track is now moved way up into Canada and the Pacific Northwest. And with that, we'll likely see some dry skies with most of the precipitation along the Gulf Coast and along a cold front that'll be piercing into the northern plain states at that time. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.